Hey, I'm Randy Kirk. I own Quality Diesel in Choctaw, Oklahoma. We've been at this location now for 2 years, which is 14190 Southeast 29th Street. Our main business here is diesel repair, performance, truck accessories, wheels, tires, lift kits, pretty much you name it. We've been a dealer for DD for about a year. I was working on a customer's vehicle and visited another local shop that carried the DD audio products and purchased some of that to put in their vehicle, and kind of fell in love with it at that point. And that's been my go-to ever since. It's just louder, more clear, more durable. I say by far that's my favorite product that I've ever used as far as the car audio stuff goes, and even in my boat as well. Car audio has been something, it's just always been kind of a love of mine. I've always enjoyed playing with the stereo systems, making them sound better, sound louder, and something I just kind of got into when I was a kid, and happy to be able to get back into that again and offer that service to our customers with their vehicles. Anybody considering being a dealer for DD should just go ahead and jump on board. I mean, the service from the guys at DD has been great. The products, all you got to do is let somebody hear them. They sell themselves. If any of you guys are out in Choctaw, swing by. We've got a new DD audio display set up here now, so you can come in and check it out, as well as our demo vehicles that you're more than welcome to listen to. And we'd love to see you and see if we can get you fixed up.